So I was gifted the squeegee. It comes in 3 different pieces. I wanted to show you each piece real quick. This is the piece that you stick on the shower wall. It has a 3M patch on there, so you can just pull it off, make sure it's clean and dry, stick it on there, good to go. Now this, the squeegee comes in 2 different pieces like this. You do have a button on one side and a place for the button to go. So it's really easy just to pop it in there like that, and it stays nice. It doesn't pull off really easily. You'd have to push the button to take it off. Now this is really awesome because it just sits like this in your shower. So it's really low profile, really just like out of the way, which is so nice. I love this is a longer handle. Sometimes my kids in the shower need to squeegee the shower off or something, and it's hard for them to get up higher where the water splashes. But this will be awesome for that. The squeegee itself is a really nice squeegee. It's like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a really nice texture of a squeegee. It's just, you know, I think it's gonna work really, really well. It's a beautiful squeegee. It's like so aesthetically nice. It's just a very nice minimalist look like that. And it just sits there, low profile, not in your face, very subtle. And I love this texture. It's like a plastic, like a textured plastic almost. So we had a different one that was stainless steel, and it got water spots everywhere. And so it looks like not great. So I'm excited. I think this one will look better for longer. It won't really show those water spots. It won't show mineral spots. So very excited about this one. Huge thank you to the brand for sending it so I could check it out and give you my honest thoughts.